Hi, Facebook friends. It's Connie Walter with Diversified Insurance Group here again with Connie's Corner. And today we're going to talk to you about business insurance. I've got with me right now our commercial lines manager, Paula Washnock.
Hello.
And the commercial lines assistant, Sally Moore.
Hello.
Paula has over 15 years of commercial lines insurance experience. And so I'm going to just let her answer a few questions about what we have to offer. Paula, what type of business do we have insured here?
We have all types of businesses insured here. We have we seem to more specialize like with artisan contractors, with the contractors and the subcontractors, which of course include like your plumbers, your electricians, carpentry work. We have a lot of lawn care services here. And then we also do like restaurants, small clubs, bars, retail shops, beauty shops, just a little bit of everything.
It sounds like we can offer
We
just
have
about
a wide
anyone.
variety of what we can insure.
Great. And I know Paula just quoted a church for a friend of mine, so I know we can do that. And funeral home, I think we have a funeral home insured as well. So as far as the carriers that we write these businesses through, can you give us just a little bit of a description?
Yeah, a lot of our main carriers, what we call our standard carriers, we do a lot of business with auto owners, Indiana Farmers, Pekin Insurance, Acuity Insurance, Progressive Auto Insurance, and we also have access to different brokers. So that if whatever you have going on don't quite fit in with what we call a standard company, if it's something off the wall or a new venture, could be a vacant home, some kind of crazy new business that's just out of the normal, we do have carriers that we can go through and find coverages for that type of stuff too.
Well, that's great. It sounds like we pretty much have a fit for just about anybody who is either starting a new business or already has their business. And maybe they just want to shop their insurance.
Right, and we can usually find them something, fit them somewhere in there,
I'm going to ask Sally real quick about certificates of insurance is a really important thing for a business, especially when they need one right then and there on the spot for someone they're doing business for, just so they may be able to get paid. And so they call here and they want it. How quick do we get those certificates out to them?
We get a certificate of insurance is very, very important for anyone doing any type of business because obviously it shows the person you're doing the job for that you are covered in all aspects of their business. And we get that out same day as requested. You call or email me or Paula or tell us you need a certificate and it will be sent out to and where you want it sent.
That's great, and I know that is a really important part of it.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
You don't want to get to a job and not have one, or have one forwarded to them, and then you can't do the job because you don't have your proof with you.
Absolutely. Is there anything else about some of the other businesses that we have here that you all might?
We have a wide variety of what we can offer. We general liability, commercial property, garages. We write a lot of garages, dealers, automobile dealers, used cars and new cars. We do inland marine policies. We can do those monoline, which means if that's the only thing you want to insure is your equipment and nothing else, we can do that for you too.
Good.
Along with workers' comp, most businesses, if they have any employees, they do need a workers' comp policy. We can help them out with that, and we can also do commercial umbrellas. So,
okay. Well, what about bonds?
We do write bonds. We write a lot of notary bonds. A lot of your attorney offices and stuff like that will want all their employees to be bonded, especially to be a notary. And we do public official bonds. We do a lot of public official bonds. So we can do any type of bond pretty much.
Great. Well, let's end with you telling, say, a prospective client that wants to come in maybe and get a quote from you. What items should they bring with them if they want to get a quote?
Well, as far as a business quote, let's say, for instance, if you have a lawn care service, we'll just use that as an example. What you would want, of course, is you're going to need your general liability. If you have an office, you may have office equipment stuff. You may want coverage for that and insure your building. And lawn care services, of course, they're going to have mowers, weed eaters. So what you would need to do is just figure out what you have and what you need to insure as far as your equipment goes, like your mowers. And to do that, we would just need, a mower would be just like a vehicle. You know, it has a serial number, it has a make and a model, it has a value to it.
Right.
You know, we just need to know that information. As far as, you know, if they have employees, what their payroll is, because that's how your workers' comp would be
That's
rated
important.
up, would
Yes.
be, you know, your payroll. And any vehicles that you may have, you know, most of them are going to have pickup trucks. They're going to have trailers, you know. You're going to need your make, models, VIN numbers, and stuff like that. The best thing to do if you are already insured, if you can just get a copy of what your current insurance is, and then that way you can get a quote, and that way it's kind of apples to apples, and you know if you're going to save any money or if you're not going to save any money.
That's
But
good.
that'll pretty much get it.
Okay, and something else I've always heard you tell people that you need is loss runs. If they
Oh,
had
yeah.
previous insurance,
Yes.
you need a copy of their
Yes,
loss run.
that's very important. If you have been in business, is a copy of your loss runs, or a good idea of if you've had claims, you know, how much are they? If not, you know, then you don't have to have the actual loss runs. But we do know that no, you've not had any claims. But then, of course, you know, if we do write your insurance, then we need to see proof of that. So.
Okay. Well, is there anything you'd like to add, Sarah?
I think commercial auto is a good policy to have if you have a business, and not having those particular vehicles on your personal auto policy, because that's two separate things. So I think that's a good idea if you have a business and you use your vehicles for your
Absolutely.
business.
And we can
Absolutely.
usually tell you, that's a good point, Sally, and you know, we can tell you, you know, because a lot of people come in, well, I don't have a commercial auto, I don't think I need one. Well, if you have your name written down the side of your truck, you might want one. But but that all depends on what type of business you have and what you're doing as to whether you need a commercial versus a personal. So, but we can help you out with that, you know, we can answer those questions for you. So.
That sounds great, guys. I really appreciate all this information. And so if you are currently insured with us, that's great. We love doing business with you. If you ever want to review what you've already got with us, just give us a call. You can make an appointment to see Paula, or she can come to you, either way. And if you're new, you just shopping, bring your stuff down and let's quote it for you.
Quotes are free.
That's right. So anyway, hey, Memorial Day is coming up, and we just want to wish everybody out there a happy and safe Memorial Day. Enjoy whatever it is you're doing in the sun, hopefully, on the water, or just laying back and relaxing. So until next time, we'll see you later.